Hello everyone, and welcome back to Auto Luxury, the channel where we celebrate the most fascinating classic vehicles ever built. If you love vintage automobiles, rare designs, and automotive history, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1964 GMC Handi-Van, a vehicle that may not receive the same attention as classic muscle cars or luxury cruisers, but it played a major role in shaping the future of utility transportation. The Handi-Van was practical, innovative, and ahead of its time, becoming a trusted companion for businesses, families, and adventurous drivers alike. Introduced during the early 1960s, the GMC Handi-Van arrived at a time when demand for compact commercial vehicles was growing rapidly. Small business owners needed affordable and efficient transportation, while families were beginning to appreciate the convenience of larger cargo space. GMC responded with a vehicle that combined versatility, durability, and simplicity in a compact package. One of the first things people noticed about the 1964 GMC Handi-Van was its distinctive cab-forward design. Unlike traditional trucks and vans of the era, the driver sat closer to the front of the vehicle. This layout maximized interior space while keeping the overall length manageable. The result was a van that could carry impressive amounts of cargo without becoming difficult to maneuver in crowded urban environments. The styling of the Handi-Van was simple yet charming. Its flat front fascia, large windshield, and clean body lines reflected the practical purpose of the vehicle. There were no unnecessary decorative elements. Every part of the design focused on functionality. Yet today, that straightforward appearance has become part of its appeal. Classic vehicle enthusiasts appreciate its honest and purposeful character. Performance. Under the hood, the 1964 GMC Handi-Van offered dependable power from inline-six cylinder engines. These engines were designed for reliability rather than speed, providing enough performance for daily work duties and long hours on the road. GMC engineers understood that commercial operators valued durability above all else, and the Handi-Van delivered exactly that. One of the most impressive features of the Handi-Van was its cargo capacity. The spacious interior could be customized for countless applications. Electricians, plumbers, delivery services, and small retailers found it to be an ideal work vehicle. Some owners transformed their vans into mobile workshops, while others converted them into camper vans for weekend adventures. The low cargo floor made loading and unloading easier than many competing vehicles of the time. This practical advantage saved time and effort for workers who relied on their vehicles every day. It may seem like a small detail, but innovations like these helped establish the Handi-Van as a valuable tool for businesses across North America. Interior. Inside the cabin, comfort was basic but effective. The driver and passenger sat above the front wheels, creating a unique driving experience. Visibility was excellent thanks to the large windshield and elevated seating position. Drivers could easily navigate city streets and monitor surrounding traffic. Although the interior lacked the luxury features found in passenger cars, it offered exactly what users needed: practicality and efficiency. Another reason the 1964 GMC Handi-Van became popular was its adaptability. GMC offered various configurations, allowing customers to choose a setup that matched their needs. Whether transporting tools, equipment, merchandise, or passengers, the van could be tailored for a wide range of purposes. This flexibility helped it gain a loyal following among business owners and fleet operators. Today, surviving examples of the 1964 GMC Handi-Van are highly appreciated by collectors and vintage vehicle enthusiasts. While production numbers were significant during its era, many vans lived hard-working lives and eventually disappeared from the roads. Finding a well-preserved example has become increasingly difficult, making restored models especially desirable. Classic car shows often feature beautifully restored Handi-Vans showcasing vibrant paint colors, period-correct accessories, and custom interiors. Some owners preserve them in factory condition, while others embrace the van's customization potential. Either way, These vehicles attract attention wherever they go because they represent a unique chapter in automotive history. The Handi-Van also played an important role in the evolution of modern vans. Many design concepts introduced during this era influenced future generations of utility vehicles. Today's commercial vans continue to prioritize cargo space, accessibility, and versatility, qualities that the GMC Handi-Van helped popularize decades ago. What makes the 1964 GMC Handi-Van truly special is its authenticity. It was never designed to be flashy or glamorous. Instead, it was created to solve real transportation challenges. Its success came from practicality, reliability, and smart engineering. Those qualities remain just as admirable today as they were more than 60 years ago. For collectors, the Handi-Van represents more than a classic vehicle. It symbolizes a time when manufacturers focused on creating hard-working machines that served communities and businesses every day. It reminds us that automotive history is not only about performance and luxury but also about innovation and utility. As we look back at the 1964 GMC Handi-Van, we can appreciate how this humble vehicle earned its place in automotive history. Its unique design, dependable performance, and versatile nature made it a valuable asset for countless owners. Even today, it continues to inspire admiration among enthusiasts who recognize its contribution to the development of modern transportation. Thank you for joining us on Auto Luxury as we explored the remarkable 1964 GMC Handi-Van. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow classic vehicle enthusiasts, and subscribe to Auto Luxury for more fascinating stories from the world of vintage automobiles. Until next time, keep your passion for automotive history alive and continue celebrating the machines that helped shape the roads we travel today. Did you like this feature?